Imagine yourself in the heart of your workshop or on a job site with an idea in mind, a project to complete. You need a tool that never lets you down. A reliable companion for cutting wood, slicing fiberboard, or precisely shaping demanding materials. Here is the Einhell TC-TS, a table circular saw that will revolutionize the way you work. Compact, powerful, and built to last, this machine is much more than just a tool. It's your ally for perfect cuts every time. Stay with me, what you're about to discover could very well transform your DIY experience forever. This table circular saw is ideal for both amateur and experienced DIYers looking to make precise and clean cuts on wood, fiberboard, and other similar materials. Compact and easy to transport, it's suitable for both workshop use and on the go at a job site. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers. And order yours today. With its 1200 watts of power and an impressive speed of 4800 revolutions per minute, the Einhell TC-TS is designed to meet the expectations of the most demanding DIYers. No matter what type of materials you have on hand, this saw tackles wood, fiberboard, and even more complex materials with astonishing ease. Again, every cut is clean and precise, and the sturdy motor ensures consistent performance even after hours of heavy use. You no longer have to choose between precision and power. This circular saw gives you both. What sets the Einhell TC-TS apart is its 210mm tungsten carbide blade, an ultra-durable material that ensures impeccable cutting quality. The saw is equipped with a parallel stop with lateral locking, perfect for making perfectly straight longitudinal cuts, even on long pieces of wood. Do you have a project that requires mitre cuts? No problem. The blade can be tilted to the left, and the adjustable angle stop allows you to make quick and precise bevel cuts. But that's not all. A simple crank integrated into the frame allows you to adjust the angle and height of the blade in an instant. You can adjust the cutting depth up to 45 meters, a flexibility that makes all the difference when working with materials of different thicknesses. And guess what? You can own the Einhell TC-TS with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews, sharing their satisfaction. Also, by subscribing to this channel, you'll discover every day the products that revolutionize your daily life. Are you tired of shavings taking over your workspace? The Einhell TC-TS is equipped with built-in dust extraction systems, both at the frame and at the blade guard. These systems effectively eliminate waste, allowing you to maintain optimal visibility in the cutting area. No more need to clean constantly. Focus on what really matters, your project. With its compact dimensions of 53 cm by 44 cm by 36 cm and a light weight of 10.8 kg, this table circular saw is designed for easy transport. Whether you're using it in your workshop or on a job site, it's perfect, practical, and incredibly formidable in its perfect practicality. The sturdy tubular frame ensures perfect stability during use, while integrated supports allow you to store the parallel stop. The angle stop and the sliding rod are right in the saw. You no longer have to worry about forgetting an essential accessory. Everything is within reach. Ready to use, safety is paramount when handling tools of this power. The Einhell TC-TS certainly doesn't disappoint with its blade height adjustment feature, which minimizes risks during adjustments. An overload protection also safeguards the motor against damage, ensuring increased longevity. Whether you're a casual DIYer or an experienced one, you can work with complete confidence. The ergonomic design and ease of use of the Einhell TC-TS make it an accessible tool, even for beginners. Every detail has been designed to maximize your efficiency without compromising your safety. And thanks to its sturdiness, this table saw is a lasting investment. An essential asset for all your projects, whether they're small or very ambitious. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality. And to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The Einhell TC-TS is one of the best because it said power, precision, and practicality. This circular saw is much more than just a tool. It's a complete solution for all your cutting needs. Whether you're working with wood, fiberboard, or other materials, it delivers professional results every time, quickly and effortlessly. It turns manual work into pure pleasure, allowing you to focus on what really matters. That is to say, your creativity. Let's now recap these advantages, as well as a few disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Able to work with different materials such as wood, fiberboard, and other similar materials. Advantage number 2, compact design. It's easy to transport and store thanks to its small dimensions and built-in accessory supports. Advantage number 3, efficient suction system. Allows you to keep a clean workspace. Limiting interruptions. Advantage number 4, reinforced safety. Blade height adjustment function and anti-overload protection for more peaceful use. Advantage number 5, accessories included, comes with a tungsten fuel blade, a sliding target, and adjustable stops, avoiding additional purchases. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, manual adjustment. The lack of automation for certain adjustments can slow down novice or beginner users. Disadvantage number 2, limited power for heavy use. The 1200W may be insufficient for very thick or dense materials or for prolonged use. It's no surprise that the Einhell TC-TS is highly praised by thousands of users around the world. Its thoughtful design, advanced features, and unbeatable value for money make it an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their workshop. Don't wait any longer to discover for yourself what this circular saw can do. Click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and check out the tens of thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. You hear tens of thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews, almost all of them. Isn't that amazing? I'll see you tomorrow to introduce a new product that will revolutionize your daily life, and I wish you great work. Thanks to the Einhell TC-TS, the perfect table circular saw.